Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to show you another video on the Samsung refrigerator in order to clean the drawers within the refrigerator that pull out. So we're going to show you that. We'll get right to it. So this is my cheese drawer. We're going to show you how to actually get this cleaned out. There we go. So if I take all of our, we really don't eat this much cheese. Well, my son does. So here's this. So as you can see, in the bottom, in between layers of the drawer, there is crumbs and dirt and whatever. And it's really just kind of nasty. So you can't get to it from the bottom. You also can't get to it from the top because it's in between the layers of plastic. So we're going to show you how to take this front piece off so you can get that nice and cleaned out from your fridge. And I know this is a request from other videos that we've done, is actually getting that cleaned out. So let's show you how that's done quickly. So unfortunately, it's not a super easy thing. It's not something you can just go, oh, there's a little clip there, and pop it off. There is a clip here, and if you look at the side of the drawer, so now we're looking at the side of the drawer here, you can see that there's actually a little tab that's in there. So what you need to do is kind of push this little piece in a little bit. So you can see I'm just kind of pushing that tab in just a little bit. Really just kind of went in between the seams here with this screwdriver, and if you kind of just kind of work it very slowly, you'll see that we're starting to work our way out. And when you do that, you're going to do that from both sides. So you do that, you see that just came off. And then once you kind of get one side, so I'm on the other side here, and basically if you push really hard in on this tab, it'll actually just pop. And you can see I just pushed in really hard on that. And once you do that, the whole face of the drawer comes off. Now you can see here, so this is what we're really after. This is the stuff that's in between the drawer. Just getting that out of there. Dumping that out on the counter. So sometimes if you get liquid in there too, obviously it would be kind of nasty. So now you can see I just kind of cleaned that out. Now the other side of this is really the stuff that got kind of squished under the drawer, right? So here we have stuff that's kind of squished in the track of the drawer, which I'm just going to kind of get out of there. And this other stuff that's kind of just on the bottom where it was kind of smushed on there. So then I'll get something and wipe it down really nice with it. But you can see even just from that alone, if I get this stuff from under the counter, just from that alone, it cleans out in between the bottom layer of that and the top layer of this drawer itself, the drawer face itself. Okay, so now you can see that we got it nice and clean. Got it nice and cleaned out, both the front of the drawer and that bottom part of the drawer. Okay, to put it back together, you have to go from the top first. You see that it's got like a little hinge there. So you want to go into the top piece first, and then it kind of, at that point, you can push down on it. Don't push down too hard. Sometimes it gets hung up. It should just swing down kind of naturally. And then it's really easy just to kind of pop back in. You can hear it kind of lock, and then do the same thing on the other side, and it locks, and then you are good to go. So that's it. So now we can add our cheese back to our drawer. It's nice and cleaned out. And we have to do this. The nice thing is once you kind of push those tabs in once, it's a lot easier the second time. So it's not a struggle every time to get those tabs pushed in. Push the tab in first, then put your screwdriver in there to make sure that you're not going to just crack the corner off. And do it gently. Don't email me and say, oh, I followed your directions, I broke my drawer, now you owe me a drawer. You have to do it gently. It's still plastic, it still will break. So push the tab in hard with a screwdriver and then work the seam just to get it to kind of come out. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. That's how you clean this drawer. It's in the Samsung 4-door Flex fridge. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Let us know if there's other things you need us to do, and we'll take care of showing you a video how to do them. Thanks.